Do you know how to set the printing area, like in this example? Let's see some tricks where we have different pages and we need to print them out. In the beginning, to print particular cells from the Excel sheet, we need to select the area. After that, navigate to the page layout and click on the print area. And choose the options Set Print Area. Following step is to go to the View tab and choose Page Brick Preview to see how the selected area is arranged across the pages. Right now, the data is spread over 3 pages. But in case if this format is not good for us, we can modify it. For instance, if we want to include assets data on the first page, just drag the blue line to shift assets information to page 1. You can adjust all the dividing lines in the same way. Okay, let's click on the file on the top and select print. We will get the print preview. Let's see if we got the requested result. In the meantime, don't forget to watch the video how to add the pages numbers and the header, link in the description. Next, let's cover a few more useful tips, such as how to include additional cells with data in the current print area. Go back and switch to normal view, which you can also do using the button at the bottom right corner. Before we continue adding cells to the printing area, keep in mind that the last row of the current print area is row 24. If you would like to add more rows, they must be directly adjusted to the last row of the selected area. This means we can expand the printing area by adding the rows 25, 26 and so on. If the new data is not next to the original area, Excel will create a separate print area. We will choose rows 25 to 28, which are adjusted to enlarge the printing area. Now, return to the page layout. Click on the print area and select Add to the print area. Okay, we got our result and we can see that it was created the separated printing area that we selected before. Perfect. I have something more for you. Sometimes you might need to repeat certain rows or columns, like the column with names which shows up on the first page, but not on the second. This can make it more difficult to understand the data. To resolve this, go back to the data table, navigate to the page layout and click Print Titles. A window will appear where you can define rows to repeat at the top or columns to repeat on the left. We want to repeat the names column, so click that option, choose column A and confirm with OK. Now, when we check the print preview, the names column appears on the both pages, making the data much easier to read. Once everything is set up the way you prefer, just press print to print only the portion of the data table that you selected. Just one thing guys, keep in mind, if you save the workbook now, the print area you have designed will be saved as well. This allows you to print the same section whenever you reopen the document. To remove the print area, go to the page layout and click Print Area and select Clear Print Area. Amazing, everything is fine. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.